good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Say hi, Amelia. If you're new, welcome. Today is Wednesday, and we are on our way to the beach. It was a last-minute thing. My boyfriend, mom, and stepdad is going to the beach today, and he wanted to take the kids with them, so we decided to go. Right now I'm just waiting for my boyfriend because I packed everything like water, sodas, and stuff, but I forgot my daughter milk, the most important thing. And yeah, so before we go to the beach, we are going to his parents' house first so we can meet them, and then we will be on our way to the beach. And I'm so excited to take Julian again because he loved the water and stuff. So yeah, say good morning, Julian. Where we going?
Beach.
We're going to the beach? You're gonna play in the water? Say hi, Amelia.
Hi.
Say love you. Yeah, so right now I'm just waiting for him, and we're gonna be on our way to his mom's house.
Most of us are still at home doing the show. This has been going on for way over a year and a half at this point. COVID attacked us. It still does to this day.
So we just got to his mom's house. He went inside real quick to go get the mail and stuff. Who ready to go to the beach? Amelia, you ready? Huh? You got your shoes? Would you go with me? Why? Then I'll go by myself. Juju,
What?
where we at? Huh? We here, guys. Where we at, Amelia?
Beach.
Huh? Where we at, Juju?
Beach.
You happy? Look at him. He dancing. He dancing. Let me see. Go, Juju, dance. Let me see. Okay. Juju, what you got? Your chair? Amelia, what you got?
Yeah, Mickey Mouse.
You holding it? Huh?
Hold it.
You hold it.
No.
It's heavy?
I'm walking with them.
Sand.
On it.
What happened, Juju?
I want sand on my shoe.
Oh.
I need to take my shoe off of it.
Oh, you got sand on your shoes. Hi, Amelia. Hi. It's not a good day, guys. Not a good day. Wow, Juju, Mia. Mia! Oh, what?
Oh, look at that. You see the crab?
You see the crab? What are you doing, Juju? Juju, what are you doing?
You see that?
Huh?
It's get stuck.
What are you doing, Juju?
Finding all the crab.
Finding all the crab?
Yeah.
Okay. So, guys, we just got here, and the weather is not the greatest, but you know what? We're gonna make do. We're just gonna relax today, you know, take the kids sightseeing, you know, have fun, even though the weather is not good. So this beach guy have a lot of these. I don't know, I forgot crabs. I don't know what it's called, but it's a lot that's dead and stuff. But it's actually a nice beach, as you guys can see. The water is about to come up. It's all the way back there, but it's about to come up right now. So hi, Juju.
Hi.
You just gonna play in the sand?
You
Huh?
got your shoe on. Look at your shoe.
It's okay. Amelia
I'm
just
all my crab.
sitting there acting like a little princess, like always. That's all she do is just sit in there.
My
My shoes dirty? Yeah? What you find, Juju? You found a shell? Let me see.
I'm gonna get some more.
You're gonna find more shell? Let me see. Put it right here.
No, I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna put it in.
So right now the kids and I are in the tent because it's like pouring rain right now. So his stepdad and mom and stuff brought like tents and stuff because they're spending the night at the beach tonight. But me and the kids and your dad, we're going home because I have work tomorrow and I don't want to spend the night at the beach with the kids. So we're just sitting here until the rain died down so we can go out there and start, you know, crabbing and stuff, you know, having fun.
It's not raining.
It's that raining? Say hi. Go Mia. Go Mia. Go Mia. Hold up. Go Amelia. Go Amelia. Go Amelia. Go Amelia. Go. Go. Go Amelia. Their mom is right there. Their stepdad and stuff is getting crabs over here. Their daddy Juju. Their daddy Juju. Juju. Hi, Juju. Where you going? Hi, Juju. Daddy cleaning Juju's shoes.
My shirt. My shirt cleaning. No, I can't. How much is here over here?
You found some gold yet?
Dad.
Huh? You want to find some gold? Do that thing actually work? Where you get it from?
Yellow one.
Joe.
What?
Julian, don't eat it.
Juju, what you doing?
Put it on shelf.
On the shelf.
Put it in your butt.
Oh. You help me, Daddy, find it.
Okay.
There's no shell around here, Juju.
Right there.
Let me see how much you got.
Go, show mommy. Show mommy your bucket.
No.
Let's see. Wow, you got a lot.
Make it out of food.
You making food?
Show Yay. Cooking the food. Yeah, he cooking the food.
Your tent gonna fly away.
It's gonna fly away. You just something heavy in there.
Juju,
What?
where's Melia?
He's in here.
She's sleeping? Yeah, why you give him that as a weapon? Juju, what you doing? Julian had no friend. It's alive? What is it called again? Horseshoe crab. Wake up. Juju, don't kill it. I told you. Juju, why you want to kill it? You're evil, child.
You got spikes in here. I'm scared.
Say wake up.
Wake up. Hello. Wake up. You see?
Wake up.
He's not waking. He's just gonna wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up.
When the water coming up?
It's not waking up.
Wake up. Wake up.
Hello. We're up.
Juju, you know you're gonna go to school soon?
Yeah. Where do you wake up? Hello.
It's cold. I want to buy a house like that. Juju, where are your shells at?
It's right in here.
Let me see. You got a lot now?
Yeah. What is that?
Wow, let me see. Can I push you in the water, Juju?
No.
Let's go swimming.
No.
You don't want to go swimming? You gonna hit me? It's dead already, baby.
Ow, ow, ow. He beat it. Peter.
So guys, it is a little bit cold and I'm in a really bad mood. I don't even know why I'm in a bad mood, but I'm just over here playing with my son and stuff. So yeah. What are you doing, Julian?
I can't get out.
You can't get out. You're gonna fall. You got stuck. You got stuck.
A seashell.
Seashell. You gonna get it?
Yeah.
Put it in your bucket.
Put him in the bucket. I want to get up.
Let's go. Let's go back.
I'm going to get more.
Okay, let's go back.
I'm going to go. Who do I go? Have this way.
Yeah, go. You got it? Juju, I see your butt. You wanna go swimming?
Yeah, go touch the water. It's cold.
Go.
Look, it's coming up. It's coming.
What are you doing,
Why you
Juju?
still wearing big clothes? Hey, that's Daddy. Hey, here you want to go away.
What are you doing?
That's Jordan.
Amelia's sleeping. Sleeping.
Only the white
Dance,
people
Juju,
behind
go.
you can see it. That's it.
Go, Julian. Go, Julian. Go, Julian.
Psych.
Go, Julian. Go, Julian.
Come on, Julian.
Yeah, go get fish with Grandma. Go. Juju, Yaya don't got no fish. You're gonna fall, baby. I don't. You're gonna fall, gun. Oh. Juju, where you going? Look who just woke up. Say hi, Mia. Hi, Mia. Juju, what are you doing? Hi, Juju. Where your fish? What happened to your fish? You don't want it? Oh. Julian, where you going? Why you get your bucket for? You gonna be like Yay Yay? You're not gonna catch anything. Say bye.
Bye. Bye, buddy.
Bye.
You leader, you buddy.
Hi everyone, I'm back home. We came back from the beach like I think 30 to 40 minutes ago. I literally stopped recording at the beach for a little bit because stuff happened. A lot of things happened when we was over there, and I just didn't want to come on here and show my emotion because I was a wreck. I am hurt. I'm really angry to the point where I just want to just throw everything. That's how much anger I got in me right now, because I really feel like I was disrespected and that nobody cares about me. Not even that, I feel like nobody cares about my kids, and I'm really angry. So I'm gonna end this vlog here so I can relax and calm down, and I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you guys on my next vlog. Make sure you subscribe. Bye.